Yo guys, stop putting pressure on your knees because I will teach you editing without any fees. Today we are gonna learn how to make your own profile picture, and trust me, it's super easy. And yeah, after watching this full video, you will not only be able to make awesome PFPs, but you will also learn how to edit thumbnails and other photos very easily. And the best part, we are gonna learn everything in 3 easy steps, so it's gonna be super simple. So now let's talk about step number 1, which is finding images. For this, we will be using one of my favorite apps called Pinterest. Here you will find tons of ideas that can really help improve your editing. So after opening the app, you will see a search option at the bottom. From there, search for your character or topic. For example, I am gonna search for Ronaldo. After that, you will get a bunch of images related to whatever you searched. And if you want to download any image, simply click on 3 dots and hit download. Alright, now let's go back to search and type texture overlay. After searching that, you will find lots of cool texture backgrounds that you can use in your edits. Otherwise, I have uploaded many of these images on my Telegram, so you can grab them from there too. Alright, now let's move to step number 2, editing the image. For this, we are gonna use ChatGPT. You hear that right guys, we are gonna use AI. And trust me, it gives really amazing results. So simply open ChatGPT and upload your image. And along with your image, upload that extra image too. You will find it on my Telegram channel. Now after doing that, we need to write a prompt. And guys, a prompt does not have to be only in English. You can command ChatGPT in any language you know. It understands almost every language. Alright, I have written something here as you guys can see. Now simply send it. And after waiting for a little while, your result will be ready. Guys, ChatGPT actually did an amazing job. Just look at this. And simply download the image. After downloading it, go to straight to Google and search erase background or any background remover website. You will find a lots of websites where you can remove the background of your image. So I'm gonna open this website. Upload the image, wait for a few seconds, and boom, the result is ready. Now download that image too. Alright, after all that, let's move to step number 3, where we will do final editing in Alight Motion. From here, watch the video carefully because I won't be doing any more voiceover after this part. So let's get started.